Make a YouTube video without showing your face. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a YouTube video without ever showing your face. Stick with me till the end, and I'll walk you through everything you need from script to upload. So let's get started. The first thing you need is a video idea. Think about something that can be explained visually, like tutorials, list videos, reviews, or stories. For example, top 5 productivity apps or how to start freelancing with no experience. Next, you'll want to write a short script. You can either write it yourself or just use ChatGPT. Go to chat.openai.com, type in your video idea like, write a YouTube script about the top 3 budget travel destinations, and ChatGPT will generate it in seconds. You can tweak the tone or ask for a more casual version. Once you have your script ready, now it's time to record your voiceover. If you're on your phone, use the built-in voice recorder app. If you're on a laptop, use something free like Audacity or CapCut. Try to record in a quiet place and speak clearly. Don't worry about being perfect. You can always re-record parts. Now let's move on to the visuals. You don't have to record anything with a camera. Just use stock footage, images, text animations, or screen recordings. Go to websites like pexels.com, pixabay.com, or Canva and search for relevant videos or images that match your script. If you're doing a tutorial or walkthrough, you can also record your screen using tools like OBS Studio or Loom. Now it's time to bring everything together. Open up a video editor like CapCut, Clipchamp, or DaVinci Resolve. All are beginner-friendly and free. Start a new project. Drag in your voiceover, then place your clips or images on top of it to match what you're talking about. Add transitions, text, or background music if you want. CapCut even lets you auto-caption your video to make it look more engaging. Once you're done editing, export the video in 1080p, and now it's ready to upload to YouTube. Open YouTube Studio. Click on the Create button in the top right. Upload your video. Add a catchy title, description, and thumbnail. You can even design your thumbnail without your face using Canva's free templates. And that's it. You've now created a full YouTube video without ever showing your face. If this helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy creator tips. Thanks for watching.